Hello friends, let's do the unboxing of the BlackBerry Z3. BlackBerry has launched this handset firstly in the Indonesian market, which was there. This handset was known as the BlackBerry Z3 Jakarta edition, and now they have launched the BlackBerry Z3 in the Indian market. Knowing that this is with this handset, BlackBerry is focusing on the mid-range smartphones that includes the likes of highly successful Moto G and some other companies like Micromax, Carbon, etc. etc. Now let's do the unboxing of this handset. This is BlackBerry Z3, boldly written on the front, and on the sides there are certain barcodes and specifying the BlackBerry Z3 logo and blah blah blah. And on the back side some manuals written in the English, Portuguese, Italian, Dutch, and yeah, that's it. So now let's do the unboxing of this handset. Now yes, so as soon as you open the handset, open the box, you will be seeing the handset. So this is the BlackBerry Z3. Let's keep this aside for a while and let's check what else is in the box. Besides, there are certain, what is written, it is a BlackBerry Z3 Smart Guide, certain instructions manual, and the earplugs. The earplugs are of disappointing. They are of not good standard. Neither the ends are gold plated. So, and this is a charger. It is 850 milliampere charger, which means that it will be charging the battery quite fast. As let me tell you that this handset comes with a 25 milliampere battery, so this charger of such capacity will help the battery to charge faster. And then comes the data cable. So that's it. This was the content from inside the box. So let's keep all the content aside. And, so friends, this is a flip cover. This will not be included in the box. You have to purchase it. You can purchase it online from the Flipkart or the eBay. Pretty good. Just a sort of the S-view type of the cover. Okay, solidly built. You don't need to remove the back cover of the BlackBerry Z3. Just have to fit the phone inside the clutches. So doesn't look that cheap. This handset will be this flip cover is available for around 750 rupees from the eBay, and just wait a few months, just wait for about a few weeks. This will be there are number of the accessories will be coming for the BlackBerry Z3. So now let me remove the back plastic of this handset. Okay, yes, so what are you noticing? BlackBerry logo, fine texturized back, and on the front there is a clear look of the handset. Speaker grill, BlackBerry logo, no back button, no side button, no home button, and on the left hand side there is a power on and power off button, volume up button, volume down button, and a voice assistant button. So on the top of the side there is a 3.5mm headphone jack, and on the bottom there is a micro USB port. I hope you will be able to see in the video. So BlackBerry, this handset looks quite sturdy. You know, this handset can stand on its own. Yes, and pretty premium. No one can guess that it will be costing around 15 to 16,000 rupees. Just wait, guys. This will be getting 2 to 3,000 cheaper, and feeling pretty premium. Now let's power on the device. Okay. The BlackBerry logo. So friends, the handset has been booted up. After connecting to the accounts and connecting to the Wi-Fi, I'll be showing you few interesting points about the handset. Let's go into the settings, and now as soon as you boot up the handset for the first time, you will be notified for the system update, and the system update will be around of 16 to 17 MB. And after installing it, let me show you the version. It is still running on the 10.2.1, and BlackBerry Z3 model number is given, serial number is given. Okay, so okay friends, this was the quick hands-on video of this this was the quick unboxing of this handset. I'll be back with the full review. Till then, you can leave all your comments, all your doubts in the comment section given below. Okay friends, have a nice day.